Happy good morning. Let's see what we got going on in the shed today. It's warm in here at least. So I think I made a mistake. Well, I didn't make a mistake. I just didn't think there was anybody in town that could do sandblasting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the parts of the bike frame that I've wire brushed so that there's no deep scratches, and then we're going to go to a local guy who does sandblasting this weekend and get it sandblasted there. I guess I used terrible paint when I painted this last time because I put brake cleaner on it and the paint just flaked off. So I'm going to go around this, sand up the few spots that I have to sand left, and then I'm going to take it to get powder coated. One of these days. We don't have a powder coater here in town, so it's going to take a little while. Okay, this has been bothering me since I got this thing. These little tabs make it so that the handle locks down, and sometimes it's really hard to get this to come back up. I'm just going to shave these off because I can't stand them. Well, I got this place a little cleaned up after all that chaos with the bicycle. I got the pile of parts right there, got the frame right there. The whole place is cleaned up. I can put my broom back in the corner. Hey. Sure, that'll work. Now I'm gonna go play some video games, relax. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.